Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the zesty world of lemons. Who knew that lemons aren't just for lemonade? Stay tuned as we explore 20 amazing things you can do with a lemon. First up, let's talk about cooking and baking. Use lemon juice for flavor. Add a splash of lemon juice to your dishes for a fresh flavor. This is perfect for salads, seafood, and chicken. Use lemon zest in baking. Use lemon zest in your baking recipes to enhance the taste of cakes, cookies, and muffins. Make homemade lemonade. Just mix lemon juice, water, and sugar. Lemons are also great for cleaning and freshening up your home. Make all-purpose cleaner. Mix lemon juice with water and vinegar for a natural all-purpose cleaner. Use as a microwave cleaner. Heat a bowl of water with lemon slices in the microwave for 3 minutes, then wipe it clean. Use as a garbage disposal freshener. Run lemon peels through your garbage disposal to eliminate odors. Now let's talk about beauty and personal care. Lemon makes a great natural astringent. Lemon juice works as a natural astringent to help clear up acne. Mix equal parts of fresh lemon juice and water or rose water. Apply the mixture to your face using a cotton ball or pad, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse your face with cool water and pat dry. Follow with a moisturizer. Use as a nail whitener. Soak your nails in lemon juice to whiten and strengthen them. Use to lighten hair. Spritz lemon juice on your hair and sit in the sun for natural highlights. Lemons are also fantastic for your health. Boost immunity. Start your day with warm lemon water to boost your immune system. Soothe sore throat. Mix lemon juice with honey in hot water to soothe a sore throat. Aid digestion. Lemon water can aid digestion and detoxify your body. Here are some other clever uses for lemons around the house. Keep fruits and veggies fresh. Keep sliced fruits and vegetables fresh longer by squeezing lemon juice over them. Repel insects. Lemon juice can repel ants and other insects. Just spray it around entry points. Deodorize fridge. Place a half lemon in your fridge to absorb odors. Lemons can even be used in some fun DIY projects. Furniture polish. Mix the juice of 1 lemon with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply the mixture to a soft cloth and polish your furniture. Natural dye. Use lemon juice to create natural dye for fabrics. Invisible ink. Write secret messages with lemon juice that appear when heated. And finally, some tips for using lemons in your garden. Seed starter. Use lemon halves as biodegradable seed starters for your garden. Detoxify soil. Add lemon peels to your compost to detoxify the soil. And there you have it, 20 incredible things you can do with a lemon. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.